There are several home remedies that may help to relieve the symptoms of a cold or cough. Drink fluids. Staying hydrated is important when you have a cold or cough. Drink plenty of water, clear broths, frozen water or ice pops, and warm fluids like herbal teas or soups. Rest. Getting plenty of rest is essential when you are recovering from a cold or cough. Steam. Inhaling steam from a hot shower or from a bowl of hot water can help to clear congestion and soothe a sore throat. Salt water gargle. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water and use it to gargle. This can help to soothe a sore throat. Honey. Honey has natural antibacterial properties and has been traditionally used to soothe a sore throat. Mix a tablespoon of honey with a cup of warm water or tea and drink it slowly. Lemon and ginger. Lemon and ginger have natural antioxidant properties that can help to boost the immune system. Mix lemon juice and ginger juice and add honey to it. Drink this mixture slowly to get relief from cold and cough. Zinc. Zinc lozenges may help to shorten the duration of a cold. Vitamin C. Eating foods high in vitamin C or taking a supplement may help to boost the immune system and reduce the severity of cold symptoms. Please note that these remedies may help to relieve the symptoms of a cold or cough, but it's not a substitute for medical treatment if you have severe symptoms or underlying health conditions. It's always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional before taking any new supplement or before making any significant changes to your diet or exercise. Routine.